You can configure location types on your Sapaad POS. You can choose between sales, sales in stock, and stock only. The sales location type is used for outlets that won't store any inventory on site and only focuses on selling products, such as a temporary food kiosk or a food truck. The sales and stock location type is for any outlet that sells goods and stores inventory, such as a full-blown restaurant or a dark kitchen. Finally, the stock-only location type is used for a central kitchen that won't sell directly to customers, but will store inventory for other outlets. In this video, learn how to configure the location type for your outlet. Let's get started. On your Sapaad POS, go to Setup, Location Setup. Select the location you want to update, then select General Details. Go to the Location Type drop-down and choose the location type. Take note that if you have delivery areas added to your location, you won't see the stock-only location type. Let's choose the sales and stock location type option for this particular location. If you wish to monitor your stocks for this location, select the checkbox next to Track Stock. Click Update. And there you have it. You've changed the location type of an outlet in your Sapaad POS. Learn how to update the operating hours of your outlets by watching our video on changing end of business day. Want to learn more? Click on the link below to book a demo.